What's going on, guys? My name's Levi Fortner. I'm with Xcellence Realty and TheFortnerGroup, and today we are inside one of the oldest neighborhoods in not only Pensacola, but all of Florida as well. It was built upon a fort when the Spanish defeated the English in 1781 right here. Listed inside the National Register of Historic Places, here lies hundreds of historic homes. The streets are lined with mature trees and architectural treasures. This neighborhood is protected by zoning regulations. It helps keep the charm, keep the tradition, and it continues to make this a strong sense of community, well desired and preserved. Currently standing in Alabama Square, just one of several parks within this neighborhood. It's conveniently located near downtown Pensacola and Palafox Street. You have direct access to all the necessary amenities you may want. Welcome to North Hill.